Kale, a wholesome addition to your lifestyle. In recent years, the popularity of kale has skyrocketed, and for good reason. This leafy green vegetable is not only delicious, but also packed with numerous health benefits that make it a wholesome addition to your lifestyle. From its rich nutritional profile to its versatility in cooking, kale is a fantastic way to improve your overall well-being. First and foremost, kale is incredibly nutrient-dense. It is low in calories, but high in vitamins and minerals, making it a powerhouse for your health. 1 cup of kale contains more than 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as significant amounts of calcium, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, such as boosting the immune system, improving bone health, and promoting proper digestion. Moreover, kale is an excellent source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect our bodies against harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Kale is particularly rich in a group of antioxidants called flavonoids, which have been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease, cancer, and inflammation. Incorporating kale into your diet can provide a creative and delicious way to increase your antioxidant intake. Not only is kale highly nutritious, but it is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be enjoyed raw in salads or smoothies, steamed, sautéed, or even baked into crispy kale chips. Its robust flavor pairs well with various ingredients and spices, allowing you to experiment with different recipes and culinary techniques. By incorporating kale into your meals, you can diversify your diet and add a vibrant touch to your plate. Furthermore, kale is known for its potential to aid in weight loss and maintenance. It is low in calories but high in fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the fiber content in kale supports healthy digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. By including kale in your meals, you can support your weight management goals and promote a healthy digestive system. Beyond its physical benefits, kale also plays a role in mental well-being. It is an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that supports brain health and mental function. Folate is crucial for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and promotes feelings of happiness and well-being. Adding kale to your diet can contribute to a positive mindset and improved mental clarity. It's important to note that while kale offers numerous health benefits, it should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients and compounds that contribute to overall well-being. Adding kale to your diet for weight loss doesn't mean you have to eat plain raw leaves. There are numerous delicious ways to incorporate kale. In conclusion, kale is a wholesome addition to your lifestyle that offers an array of health benefits. Its rich nutritional profile, high antioxidant content, and versatility in cooking make it a fantastic choice for those looking to improve their overall well-being. Whether you choose to enjoy it raw in salads or incorporate it into your favorite recipes, kale is a delicious and nutritious powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. So why not embrace this leafy green and reap the benefits it has to offer? Your body and taste buds will surely thank you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.